We'll guide you through how to join the blox Discord server. First, open Discord on your phone, computer, or in your web browser. Once Discord opens, look at the server list on the left-hand side of the screen. Next, click or tap the Add a Server button. From the options that appear, select Join a Server. In the Invite field, simply type blox and then click or tap Join Server. In some cases, Discord may ask you to complete a quick verification step to confirm that you're a real person. Follow the on-screen instructions to finish the verification process. Now tap again on Join Server. After joining successfully, you'll be taken to the blox Discord server, where you'll see the welcome section and the server rules. You may also be asked what type of notifications you'd like to receive from the blox server. Choose any notification option that you prefer, then click or tap Finish to complete the setup. And that's it. You have now successfully joined the blox Discord server and can start accessing all of its channels, updates, announcements, and community discussions. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video.